In this video I want to show how to use VCA alarms from Bosch camera on Mirasys DVMS system. I already installed the camera, calibrated it roughly, and now I will choose some VCA events. I will choose the profile 1, and I must use traffic incidents or traffic wrong way because I want to classify the objects, and at least these two can classify the objects. So I selected the traffic incidents and I will activate this VCA scenario in the camera. Now I will go to the tasks. You see I have quite a lot of tasks, but I don't need these tasks. I will delete them. Also delete the fields. I will draw them when I need again. And I will now add new task, object and field. Let's name it person. I will create new field where I am interested to see the person. Let it be this big. Okay, and I will filter that only person will trigger me the alarm. Any other filters I will not use. Filtered bounce time I will set 1 second. This means if the object is in the field more than 1 second, then the alarm is triggered. And the alarm length will be 10 seconds. Okay, now it seems active. And we will now continue setting up with Mirasys DVMS. To use Bosch Analytics, I must first install Bosch Iva Proxy driver. I already downloaded that, and it must be Bosch Iva Proxy setup. Let's copy it to the desktop. And see what's inside. We also can find documentation if we Google it, Bosch in Mirasys. Bosch Proxy Mirasys. Bosch Proxy. You see the description, installation instructions, and some configuration as well. So first we must install it. I have installed it all as default. Successful setup. Now let me add the camera into my DVMS system. My camera address was 76, service as a default username, and my password. Okay, this is the correct camera, and I want to use input from this camera also. I will set the camera in passive mode. And now let me check if all remains the same. This seems perfect. Now let me set up the text channel from this Bosch camera. For that, let me read it. I must add camera this way. Okay, so I will choose channel 1 text channel 1, select proxy model, select the correct driver I want, device address is my camera IP address, device port 80, and username the camera, and password for the camera. Incoming TCP port is actually the DVR side port. If we will use the second channel, then we must use another port. For example, I use in this case 40,001, and for the channel 2 I can use 40,002. And configuration file specified Bosch Iva XML, the one that is in here. I will just copy the name of the file, paste, and I will name the channel 01 person. And also I must name the alarm task in the file same as is task configuration. I will choose edit Iva XML, and I will delete the values I do not need and name the value with correct person. Also, I will set this address to the camera address, but I don't know if it does have any influence. Let me save it. Now I will restart the proxy and save the channel. Okay, server was restarted. Now I will start the spotter. Now the camera and the text channel must appear as valid. Yes, it is all valid. Now I need that the alarm was generated to see the text data is coming into this window. Currently I don't see this because my field is too low. Let me temporarily set the whole screen. Okay, the person alarm is active, and my spotter doesn't receive anything. Okay, let me see what have I done wrong. Text channels. Okay, maybe the password. Bosch Iva XML must be correct. Why? Let me wait until the connection happens. Okay, it's already happened, but okay, I don't see any activity yet. Okay, person is active and my event is not active. I don't understand. Person is correct, value is correct. Have saved it and let me restart it. Bosch Iva Proxy server was restarted. Text channel. Okay, now we see that something was happened. Input off, yes, now it's receiving me settings, so I had to restart twice. Okay, let me now add it back to my field 1. And now I will try to create an alarm and see if it generates me alarm into my text channel. To reset the messages, I will go to archive and back to live. Then my window is clean now from all text information. Okay. Something was happened. No, I don't see. Okay, let me try to simulate the alarm by myself. I will walk in the area and see if the alarm is generated. Okay, as we see, okay, my walk test showed me the alarm. Okay, now we started to receive information through the text channel from Bosch camera. Now we want to create an alarm to be displayed and saved into the archive. For that I will create an alarm. I will choose person. Okay, let me select the profile where the alarm is triggered, and what happens is if I receive person from input 1 and stop will be person from input 1 off, and the action type will be, let me say, the digital output on alarm end. Okay, now if somebody walks in this area, I must receive an alarm here, and it will be active only when the area is active, when the alarm in the area is active. Okay, now I think it's good to simulate it. Another walk test. Okay, we now see the alarm, and we can see me walking there. Okay, so simple it is. I will leave this system to work overnight, and I will see which alarms it will collect. and also add to this video. Okay, for the night it didn't collect any motion because it was actually camera fault. I installed camera on the glass and you see that it doesn't see anything at night. But if we start to search in day condition, then I clearly see the person moving. And this is the false alarm. And let me see what is this. Okay, this was the false alarm, and that one. That one also false alarm. Oh no, it's not false alarm. The guy is moving. It seems that the guy is moving in correct area. Let me see that. Yes, he was in this area. So actually, this alarm is working fine. One more thing I want to show that I have custom alarm. And you see if I double click on the alarms, I don't see the picture from the camera. And I customized the alarm, added motion detection on it, and now the alarm window also includes video from camera. This is done if you edit the alarm and in actions you trigger the camera recording, then it also will be on the alarm window. We actually can remove this from this alarm. Apply settings. And now new alarms will arrive without the digital output. Let me simulate this. Okay, so I have two alarms created. I'm walking away and double clicking on it, you see that the output disappeared from this alarm list, but video appeared here. Okay, to do it a little bit faster. This is the way how it's done.